ProKure V is an EPA-registered, hospital-grade disinfectant and heavy-duty odor eliminator. It is used to create ClO2 liquid, using only tap water to activate. Once activated, the liquid can be applied by sprayer, mop, or microfiber cloth. This effective formula will kill bacteria, viruses, mold, mildew, and odor-causing bacteria, and is perfect for eliminating your toughest odors at their source. To maximize the efficacy and safety of ProKure V, please have a ProKure user guide handy that best reflects your treatment type or need. There are 3 simple steps for how to use ProKure V. Step 1. Clean the treatment space. It's important to remove the sources of contamination and odor to the best of your ability before treating a space. Once your space has been cleaned, it's ready to be disinfected and deodorized with ProKure V. Step 2. Prepare your applicators. ProKure V is EPA approved for application by mop, sprayer, and microfiber cloth. You can use our containers to fill sprayers, mop buckets, or whatever application method you choose. Or you could adhere a sprayer to our 5-gallon containers for a portable application. Step 3. Apply and air dry. When applying ProKure V, do so generously. All surfaces that you're treating should be visibly wet for full efficacy. ProKure V has a wide range of material compatibility and is suitable for daily use in public places, residential and commercial buildings, hospitals, vehicles, cultivation facilities, and much, much more. ProKure V will air dry and leave no residual footprint. No wipe or rinse is required. However, to avoid water spots after treatment, you can use a microfiber cloth to absorb moisture on surfaces like mirrors and windows. If you have excess product, you can use it on your equipment, PPE, and vehicle as an added step in your job. Otherwise, you can store ProKure V in a sealed, light-proof container in a cool and dark location. It will remain at its ready-to-use concentration for 15 days. Thank you for watching. For any questions, please contact us